Hello everyone, my name is Rommel Edenilson Hernandez. Today in this video I'm going to explain two topics, describing problems 1 and describing problems 2. For describing problems 1, we are going to see some common complaints and I'm going to show you what we can do for each of them. For that we are going to use the past participle as adjective. But remember that the simple past and past participle or regular verbs are the same. For example, the verb chipped. With simple past, I chipped the base. With past participle, the base is chipped. But many irregular verbs have different simple past and past participle forms. For example, the verb chipped. With simple past, I tore my jacket. And with past participle, my jacket is torn. Now let's see some examples with past participle as adjectives and with nouns. To describe these pants with past participle we can say my pants are stained, and with nouns we can say they have a stain on them. And for these sunglasses using past participles we can say their sunglasses are a little scratched, and with nouns we can say there are a few scratches on them. Look at the back part of the car. With past participle we can say the car is dented, and with nouns we can say there is a dent on it. And to describe the sink we can say the sink is leaking, but there is an exception in this example because is leaking is a present continuous form, and with nouns we can say it has a leak. I got some exercises for you. What you have to do is just complete this short conversation with the correct words from the box. So I'm going to give you a couple of minutes and then we are going to check the correct answers. Let's see the correct answers, and for conversation number 1, letter A, these jeans have a tear in them. Letter B, and they are stained too. Conversation number 2, letter A, someone hit my car today. Look, the door has a dent in it. Letter B, I see that your backlight is broken too. Conversation number 3, letter A, this table has some damage on top. Letter B, I know the wood is scratched because my son dragged his toy cars on it. Now let's see describing problems 2, and for this topic we are going to use the verb need plus gerund and the verb need plus passive infinity and also the verb keep plus gerund. So let's get started with the verb need plus gerund and plus passive infinity. We can see that there are many things wrong in the room. I'm going to describe some of them, and using need plus gerund we can say the walls need painting, and with passive we can say the walls need to be painted. And for the ceiling fan, using gerund we can say the ceiling fan needs adjusting, and with passive we can say the ceiling fan needs to be adjusted. And for the lampshade, using need plus gerund we can say the lampshade needs replacing, and with passive we can say the lampshade needs to be replaced. And look those clothes on the floor. With gerund we can say the clothes need picking out, and using passive we can say the clothes need to be picked out. And for the road we can say the road needs cleaning, and with passive we can say the road needs to be cleaned. And look at the plant in the corner. To describe it we can say the plant needs watering, and with passive we can say the plant needs to be watered. Now let's use the verb keep plus gerund. We use keep for continuous problems that regularly happen or don't start happening. So let's see some examples, and for the little dog we can say the dog keeps getting the floor dirty. And in that picture we can see that there are many dishes in the sink. So to describe it we can say someone keeps leaving dishes in the sink. And for this picture, we can say the oven keeps burning my food. And for the smoke alarm, we can say the smoke alarm keeps going off. I got some exercises for you. In the first exercise, you have to write sentences to describe these problems using need plus gerund or need plus passive. And the second one, write a sentence to describe these problems using keep plus gerund. I'm going to give you some minutes and then we are going to see what you have. Now let's see, I'm going to give you some possible answers. In the first exercise, in the picture that there are some houses, we can say the house needs painting. And using passive, we can say the house needs to be painted. And the second picture, we can see a man that is washing his car. Using gerund, we can say your car needs washing. And using passive, we can say your car needs to be washed. And the second exercise, we can say in the first picture, it keeps raining. And the second picture, we can say, well, we'll see that there is a woman that is upset with the phone. So we can say, people keep calling me. That's all. Thank you for your attention. I hope you learn. I hope you enjoy it. So see you soon.